Here's what an auto-edited music video looks like, synced to the music directly in Premiere Pro in under a minute. It's insane. And today, I'm gonna show you how to do this in under 2 minutes with Auto Edit Clip. Syncing cuts to beats manually, adding effects, it works. But for a 3-minute clip, that's hours of work. There's a fully automatic way. First, you're gonna need BLINKL.io, the GTA weapon wheel, but literally inside Premiere Pro. If you haven't installed it yet, link is in the description. Alright, let's go. First, set up your project and import your clips into your timeline. Then stack them, one shot per video track like this. You can delete the audio tracks if you want a cleaner view. Then import your music and drop it onto an audio track. Now open the BLINKL ring with Ctrl plus right click. Click the BLINKL icon in the middle to open the catalog, and select Auto Edit Clip right here. First thing in Auto Edit Clip, select the audio track with your music. Mine is A1. Choose entire timeline or in-out if you just want a section, and click continue. Now select your music genre, hip-hop, electronic, there's a bunch of modes depending on your project, or just leave it on auto. Click analyze music and wait a few seconds. Okay, now the most important step, the configuration. Here you've got the live preview. BLINKL detected 98 cuts in my case. You can choose where the cuts happen. I'm selecting kicks and downbeats. And look, the live preview updates in real time. Here, cut frequency is the minimum interval between each cut. I'm going with 1/2 for a dynamic feel. You can also go custom for fully personalized intervals. Now the big one, adding effects. Flashes, kick effects, auto transitions, that's where the magic happens. I'm setting density to 60%. And last step, adjust the priority of your video tracks if you want a specific shot to appear more. Then click Generate Edit. And there it is, your clip auto-edited in under a minute. Oh, and bonus, want to swap a shot at a specific moment? Just double-click it, a window pops up, pick the clip you want. Done. Install BLINKL for free, link is in the description. Subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials.